All right, say cheese.
Cheese.
All right, bet. Whoa, this is crazy.
Yes, all rainbow. Right here.
Slime Studio Wall of Goo. It's a wall of slime. Oh my goodness.
Can you do it?
Yep. Good job. The first one was better, but good job. Make sure it don't go outside the bowl. Don't drop it. Don't mix it, but you can play with it. Let's see.
It's a bone.
It's a bone in there.
Yeah.
It's a skeleton.
Skeleton?
Yeah, this is crazy.
Look at her in out.
My goodness.
So scary. Look at this one.
What's that one?
I don't know. You can get it in there fast.
What?
So crazy. Oh no, it's about to come out the bone. Let's go to this one. Wow. This time I'm going for it. Ow, it's so white.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, it feels so good.
What you about to do?
Got step in this slime with bare feet.
Bare feet. Okay, show me. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Yeah.
What it feel like?
Cold and smooth.
Step in the other one. Oh my goodness. Are they all different or they feel the same?
They are different.
They are different? Oh my goodness.
It's so cold.
It's so, oh, don't fall.
It's cold.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Even if it's cold.
Do it feel good?
Yeah, it feels good. It feels like a spa.
Like a spa? That's cool.
You try.
They have a little party in there?
No, get out, get out. I need some privacy.
You need some privacy.
Yeah, get out.
I'm your cameraman. You gotta go have a party. Yeah, they came to my phone. I think it's a link though. You gotta click the link. Oh yeah, appreciate it.
Daddy, feel this.
That's crazy, right?
Yeah, I feel it. Now
That's
give me
wild.
stuff.
Don't be scared. It's cool in here. This the party room. Come here, Charlie. I'm walking with you. I'm walking with you.
It made a sound.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's not good.
You don't want to go this way? We don't have to go that way. I think them is kids. It says more fun.
No.
Look, come here. Look at you, scaredy cat. That's just some kids playing. Go down there, silly girl. Are you crazy? Them just some kids playing. Come on. Charlie, you see the kids playing.
This is a very creepy one.
Look, touch the slime time wall and have fun. Touch the wall. 3 cents to smell.
So
Which
we
one?
have chocolate, ocean, lemon, fruity pebbles, cinnamon roll, pine, apple pie, gummy bear, fresh rain, coffee, marshmallow, strawberry, forest floor, peach, tropical fruit, and raspberry cake.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, you want some chocolate?
Chocolate it is.
I want you to smell it first, okay? Ready? You like that? Good? Okay. And then we'll have you poke a hole in your slime. Good job.
I smell it.
Yep, and then we're gonna go next door and pick out our color, okay? And then she can add. Yeah.
Okay. There you go. And then you're gonna go right through that tunnel and take a right, and they'll help you add in everything else to your slime.
Hey, go for it. The stick. Get the stick. Get the stick. And put your stuff in there too. You want to pour it all in there? Let me help you pour it all in there. Here, let me do it this way. You got it all? Alright.
I can stir it with my hands too.
Yeah, they say you can put it out on the table or something and just stir it on there. Yeah, that's what they doing. Let me help you. You want to do it with the stick? You don't want to put it out on the table?
I do. What do the clean food like?
You about to fill it. Yeah, let me get this off the stick for you.
Then we can go back and have some fun.
Yeah. Whoa, it smells like chocolate, but it's pink.
Yeah,
And
pink chocolate.
It got charms in it and stuff. That's pretty cool, right? What? Can I see it up close? Make it real stretchy. Whoa. Whoa. Now that's how you do it. Now mix it all together. Put it all together back in one ball. Make it stretchy again. Whoa. Now put it back together. Whoa, you're like a pretzel. Can you make a pretzel?
Yeah.
Make it stretchy, make it stretchy, you can make a pretzel. Up. Now make it pretzel.
I want to make this.
That's beautiful.
Okay, I'll give you that one. All right. All right, my next question. Jelly, okay. All right, my last and my final question. Do you know how much a baby elephant weighs? Why? 25 is a good guess. All right, you guys, this is the splash zone, so you just get to scoot back so you don't get wet, okay? 5, 4,
4, 3, 2, 1. Do it next time.
Do we want some more slime?
You said you didn't want to do it. Daddy was going to buy it. You said you didn't want to do it. Whoa. Would you do that? You want to do it next time? Not this time. Whoa.
Can I do it with my hands?
Step on it. Step on the other ones.